Ideation is the first and one of the most important stages of the product development lifecycle because it sets the overall direction for what a product might become. It is the point where ideas move from vague thoughts to initial concepts that can be evaluated, refined, or discarded. In this stage, teams explore possibilities without restrictions, focusing on uncovering real customer problems and imagining potential solutions. The ideation phase begins by identifying a clear problem or opportunity in the market. This often starts with observing customer behaviors, gathering feedback, or studying gaps that competitors have not addressed. A strong ideation process focuses less on jumping to solutions and more on deeply understanding what users struggle with, what they desire, and where existing systems fall short. Once a problem is identified, the product team gathers to brainstorm possible ways to solve it. Brainstorming is a structured but creative activity where ideas are encouraged without immediate judgment. The goal is to produce a large quantity of ideas because even unconventional suggestions can spark valuable discussions or lead to breakthrough solutions. During brainstorming sessions, teams use techniques such as mind mapping, scamper, and how might we framing to structure their creativity. These methods help participants think beyond the obvious and explore fresh perspectives. The output of this step is not a polished idea, but a wide range of potential options to explore further. After generating many ideas, the team begins the screening process. Screening helps narrow the list by evaluating each idea's feasibility, alignment with business goals, customer value, and potential impact. Not all ideas will move forward, and that is normal. The purpose is to identify the concepts with the highest potential for success. The ideas that pass the initial screening are refined further. Refinement involves adding more detail, validating assumptions, and transforming vague concepts into more structured solution outlines. At this point, teams may conduct light customer interviews or surveys to check whether the idea resonates with real users. Another critical part of this phase is assessing the competitive landscape. The team needs to understand whether similar solutions exist, how they perform, and where opportunities for differentiation lie. This analysis ensures that the ideas considered do not simply repeat what is already in the market, but offer added value. Throughout ideation, collaboration is essential. Product managers, designers, engineers, marketers, and sometimes even customers contribute unique viewpoints. This diversity of thought helps avoid blind spots and ensures the chosen concepts are well-rounded and realistic from multiple perspectives. Ideation also requires balancing creativity with practicality. While teams are encouraged to think big and imagine innovative solutions, they must also consider constraints such as technology, timelines, resources, and business strategy. The best ideas are often those that strike the right balance between originality and feasibility. By the end of the ideation stage, the team typically selects one or a few top concepts to move into further investigation. These become the preliminary product ideas that will move into requirements gathering, prototyping, or early validation. The chosen ideas should be clear enough to guide the next steps, but flexible enough to evolve. Ultimately, ideation serves as the creative engine of the PDLC. It ensures that product development begins with thoughtful exploration rather than assumptions. Strong ideation helps organizations avoid building the wrong product and increases the chances of delivering solutions that truly matter to customers.